Assalamu alaikum and welcome to this video. This is very interesting puzzle or a question that how to draw a square with only three lines. For example, I draw this line, this one and this. But the square is incomplete. You can try to put this marker here for the fourth side, but still it does not look like a square. Another try is that if you consider this edge of the page as fourth line and draw one line here, next line here, and the third line here, and consider this as a fourth side of the square, but still it is not a complete square. What we have to do this puzzle? Okay, let's try. We fold this paper this way. Now draw one line you have two lines. Draw this line and the next folding is here. We already have two lines with one stroke. Now join the other two. So we have the square with only three strokes.